Yeah, man. Another day, another dollar. Let's go through our trades. First trade, Walmart. Narrow state. Eliminate the 20. It's so far away from this narrow state. We get the right color up. Originally, this was all green. As you can see, it was all green at first, so we were looking at a green. We got in really early. We got in at like 9:30, 30. So super early. Just one lot, left it in. We were in Intel, so we were doing another trade, and it crossed it right here. And this is where you buy some more. And then we let this ride all the way to here. But in all reality, I think this thing rode all day. Yeah, rode all day. Nothing to really do with this unless you see a move down, which maybe it's getting closer. Nope. But that was Walmart. Buy, buy more. One, two. I would say get out, leave a lot, and see where it goes. Next one, Intel is where we were in. Narrow state, green bar, bought some above when it crossed the first 2 minute bar. Color change, bought some more, went up, got out, saw a color change here, bought some more, didn't work out, sold here, got out completely. If we were looking at it, we might have a sell here all the way to the 20. Look here, see if we have any more moves. You could have said this was a buy, 50%, buy more, see if you can ride it. Looks like a great trade. What we did is we sold Elephant Bar, sold a lot, got out, majority, left one lot on, sold some more, got out of both shares. This was an accident right here, but this was supposed to happen. Maybe that's a sell. Nope. Maybe that's a buy. Nope. Kind of just in this muck area. There's a break. Elephant off of a flat, off of a 20. Buy. Stop. Nope. Get out. And keep in mind, it's distance away from the 20. We didn't expect that great of a move. Now, when it took out this, that is a chance to say a sell because you expected this to be a good move. And since it came crashing down, it wasn't, you could probably make the sell play to here, bounce off the 20, probably go back down, and it bounced off and went back down. Exxon. Here's a play where I made the biggest mistake. I saw this elephant bar. Boom. I got sold, 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 sold. But this was into the 200, flat 200 on the 5 minute, and it popped up on me. This is what I was expecting. I got a pop up and then and I didn't even catch this move right here. So let's start the day. Wide state, play it up. Pull 180 off of a flat 200, play it down. This is the Fab Four. So you can play that off of it. You can play this one off of it, or you can play it above it right now. Let's see. Play it above it. Let's see. Stop here. Out. This is a nice buy. Position of power. Position of power. Green bar takeout. Ride it up. Ride it up. Probably get out here. Let it come back. Leave a lot on. Lot crosses. Add more. Get out. Leave a lot on. Repeat. We got in here. Not too sure why. Two shares. Oh, this was the big loss that we got. We got in here, we held it. For some reason, we thought it was going to go up, and it went completely down on us. And then we tried to sell here, or we tried to get out all of our positions here, and then it went up. Uh, and that's how we lost. I mean, it was a green day, but this is what lost majority of our profits right here. This avoidable move. And like they say, it's easier to avoid bogeys than to get more birdies. This would have been a decent play. Here's a nice sell. 1, 2, 3, cross. 1, 2, 3, cross, cross. 1, 2, 3 finger spread, cross, write it down. Let's go to Amazon. open. Here's the Fab Four. As you can tell, this you wouldn't take as the wrong color. This one you might be able to take off the Fab Four, but not, no, it goes nowhere. Uh, this you can see the 200 is support. You'd probably be looking for a move up. Here's that move, buy, stop, make this act like the 200. Got more. So we did a buy here, sold it because it went under our stop limit. As soon as we got this buy off, bought more, wrote it up, sold it to get out here, sold more, got out here. Looks like we should have just rode this up. Stop, sell, sell more if it goes below. Ride to the red line, get out. Elephant bar off of it. Look for a gift buy. Nope. Hard reversal, which makes this a bull 180. Stop around narrow state, and it went through that. So red, green, bull 180 right here. Narrow state again. Sell. It just doesn't want to go down, does it? Finally, but not really. There's a buy. Elephant, midway point, got out. End of the day. Wouldn't have been a nice trade. Let's go to Google. The one thing we have been doing is, for example, Amazon, Google, and JPM, we've been using the 1 minute because they're higher range stocks. And that seems to work. But all the other stocks, like that's under 100, just use the 2 minute. The 1 minute's too like too many false signals. But on the higher price stock, it's a little bit better. So we're going to Google. Uh, Fab Four, Elephant, Flattish 200. Ride that down. Doesn't want to go further than this level. Elephant bar off of a 20. Looks like we tried to buy the color change, buy another color change. We got out here for some reason. Not sure why. Don't remember. This looks like a state that we want to wait till we get out of. Buy. Oh, that was Anchor here. Buy. That fail. Buy. Buy. Keep in mind. Break. Buy. Stop. Add. Get out. Leave a lot. Buy. End of the day. Chase. I think that was too far. Narrow state. Ignore. Street as 200. Tail bar off of it. Wait till it passes it by. Get out. One leg because you know this is the first leg. This counts as the second leg. Only two legs. Seems to be a period of resistance up here. Broke it. We tried to sell this. Which doesn't look like a good sell now that you're looking at it. Went down. We got out here. Sold more here on the color change. Got out. Ooh, that was a rough one. But again, we like moves off the 200, so when it's this far away, we know it can go up. It can only go up so far. It's more than likely going to go down. And that's all. So, hey, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you on Friday. Till next time.